Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining. For those who are joining us for the first time, welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you for being part of this family. And Lord, for those who are my returning subscribers, I want to thank you for all your support, for always watching my videos without skipping the advert. And for the new people, welcome. So you're your kitchen family. Please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. Give this video a like and send your comment on the comment section. And guys, we are making my husband's best soup. My husband loves this soup so much. He like okra soup very, very much. And I decided to make the soup in a very different way. This is not the way I make my okra. I started by putting the red oil inside the pan. Then the next thing I added was my salt and onions. And this is me. I added my okpeyi, almighty okpeyi with that sweet and delicious flavor. So after adding, I stir it. This is the chicken, the soft chicken I've put in my freezer. It's already marinated. I put it in my freezer, so you can see as it is blocked. So I have to put it inside this frying oil, and I try to melt it down. Then here it has melted. Then I added my pomo, my cow skin. At this point, I stir it to combine. You see, this is my first time of using this method, but trust me, guys, the taste of this soup was awesome. You see, this is me. I added water. After that, I added water to it. I add more water. I decided that I discovered that the water I added is not enough, so I added more water to it. You can see me adding more water, and I stir everything and stir it all to combine, and I cover it and allow it to boil. This is me opening it. You see how it is boiling already. Who will tell you that this chicken is not done? The chicken is already done. Trust me. You cannot use one pattern in cooking. One day try other patterns. There are other ways you can do your thing and it works out. This is me adding my crayfish. I added my dry crayfish blended. Then I added my stock cube, 2 stock cube. I added it to this effect. Then when I add it finished, I stir it. Guys, when I finished making this soup, my husband was like, this soup is really fresh and crunchy. Who know, I love my okra being crunchy. I don't like it cooked completely. Once I add my okra, it is done. This is me covering it and allowing it to cook. So yeah, at this point I'm opening it. If you feel the smell in this kitchen, this is me adding my blended um blended okra. I normally do my okra in 2 ways. I blend one part, then I chop the other part. So here that one will help the soup to draw very well. And this is me added the chopped okra at this point of time. Guys, as they see the soup, so it don't done. Oh, the soup done. I no go lie, it done. This is me stirring the okra. I stir it very well to combine. At this point, guys, what do you think? You see, the soup is already looking sumptuous. My husband loves okra so much. It looks so much. So, you see me, I try to stir it, and I stir it very well to combine so that everything will combine together. You see how sweet it's looking. As you see the soup, it don't done on me. I know they cook my okra for too long. And at this point, the next thing I added my leaf. Yeah, no, onions. I added onions. Then before I add my leaf, guys, if you are still watching my video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, you are wrong. Please kindly subscribe, give this video a like, and drop your comment on the comment section on your opinion on this soup. Do you love the method I use? Do you like the style? Will you be trying it out? Let us know on the comment section. Guys, as they see the soup now, see how the soup is looking succulent. So this was me, and here I have off my gas, and the soup is ready. Trust me, you don't need to cook it. If you overcook it, that okra will become brown in color. It will become dark. This is me testing the soup, and the soup is awesome. It is very delicious. You see how it is looking, very succulent. So I try to remove it, and immediately after cooking, if you don't want the color of the okra to change, remove it immediately in a cool container. Exactly what I just did. This is me removing it on the container that I will use to put it in the fridge. So you see how sweet and colorful it is looking. Will you be trying this recipe, my people? Will you be trying this recipe? Let me know at the comment section if you'll be trying it. Okra is okroing. You can see it is okroing. Even the pomodia is pomoing. This is me. I achieved 3 plates of soup from this soup. Okay, this soup is gonna last me and my family, if not for anything, for 2 weeks. 1 week. Okay, let's say 1 week plus. It will last us. Guys, you see me removing it. This is me. moving the last one from this. And when I decided that I'm gonna eat some with my spoon like this, and that was how, I brought some, and me and my husband, I came to give him. He said, wow, this is so nice, it's crunchy and so fresh. I said, yes. Guys, please kindly subscribe to my channel, kindly like, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.